Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on locking Gmail on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You can choose to lock Gmail with Face ID or passcode. You can also hide the app so that it is not visible on your iPhone. Follow the steps to learn how to lock Gmail on iPhone. Find the Gmail app on your phone, then hold down on the app until this menu appears. Choose Require Face ID. You can then choose between Require Face ID and Hide and Require Face ID. If you choose Require Face ID, when you try to open Gmail, you will have to use Face ID to open it. You can remove the Face ID lock by holding down on the app and tapping Don't Require Face ID. If you choose Hide and Require Face ID, then the app will disappear from your home screen altogether, and it won't be possible to find it in App Search either. You won't receive any notifications or alerts from Gmail. Tap Hide App to lock and hide Gmail. As you can see, Gmail is no longer visible in the app search. In order to find the app, you need to open the app library by swiping all the way to the right of your home screens, and then scroll all the way to the bottom. The Hidden Apps folder will be there in the bottom right corner. Tap on the folder and Gmail will appear. Then tap on Gmail to open it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iOS tips and tricks.